Our Hiligaynon word for the day is wiri-wiri. Wiri-wiri. When we say wiri-wiri, that means gibberish, rapid, or gabbling talk, babble, jabber, or unmeaning words. It can also be nonsensical talk. It also means to gibber, gabble, babble, jabber, prattle, prate, mumble, murmur, growl, to utter, say, or speak indistinctly. Wiri-wiri. Let us have the following sample sentences using the Hiligaynon word wiri-wiri. Butig gid lang ang iya nga ginawiri-wiri. That means what he or she babbles or says is a lie. Butig gid lang ang iya nga ginawiri-wiri. Maalam siya magwiri-wiri sang Latin. That means he or she knows to gibber a few words of Latin. Maalam siya magwiri-wiri sang Latin. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, wiri-wiri. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.